Hello. Well, hello there. Having some funky positioning issues here, but let's see what we got. Okay. Alrighty. Let's see here. So I was going to test something out. The Dashsight project that I had helped a little bit on a few days ago. Um, Someone else did a little bit of work, so I was going to test something out that I had figured out. Um, so I already cloned his project here, so it's hello dash one dash bundler webpack. Let's see here. I'm gonna remove everything but Dashsight and try this, and I might reverse that if there's any issues, but okay, got that. Assume npm install. All right, let's check out node modules. So the test I'm going to try. Ah, it's already there. It looks like this was merged finally. Um, so with that merged, I shouldn't need to actually change anything. Let me see here. So build command is run build row failed to load prod config cannot find module crypto browserify. Interesting. Ah, because I removed all of these. But let's just comment all that out real quick. And try it again. Ah, successfully. There we go. I don't know if that meant. The code's actually good, but definitely built. Okay, and then this uses main. npx serve dist. Should index be in dist? Hmm. Okay. Yeah, that just gives that. Just gonna copy this for now. Okay. So result. Increase the size of this quite a bit. All right, what do we got here? All right. It's looking like it did more than nothing. Okay. Yeah, that looked like it worked. Okay, and so since I verified that, I'm gonna also make sure I've got my own project up to date. So let's see. I'm gonna delete this package JSON and see what happens. So I want version 191, which here it got 191. What am I doing different? 1100. Um, is there a new version? Let's see here. That is the latest version. That's interesting. Right. So Cool AJ86 did release 191 of request, but Dashsight is not updated to that version. So if I'm just going to clear my node modules folder, and I'm going to clear package JSON and see if it'll grab the latest one like this. All right, root package version 191. Okay. So with that, what about down here? Request. Yep, now it's got 191. Sweet. Okay, so with request 191, let's see if the thing I worked on actually works right now. What was it? npm run dev. Okay. All right, it loaded. And it even tried to hit the Dash API, so it did do something. I believe repository. Okay, I believe that there was a list of addresses to try in here, and I think I just tried the first one. So let's test that and refresh. Aha, it does get a different balance. Sweet. Well, now that we've verified that's working, let's see here. Oh, let's see here. Shouldn't have closed that file. Where was it? That's the file. Okay. Okay, so that doesn't look like this was merged, which means you just manually updated, I'm guessing. Yeah. So that is the change I made, but you just manually updated it. Okay. Um, right. So All right, that's working. Let's see here. Oh, I haven't worked with view in so long. Let's make a, I'm gonna copy that hello world, rename it to get balance. Okay, so switch back to this. That maintains count. Okay. Man, it's been quite a long time since I've worked in view. I'm familiarizing myself here. So let's plan on moving all of that into the get balance widget up here. Okay. Um, and we're gonna import get balance and swap that out. Okay, I'm gonna disable hello world for now. Okay. And make it a little easier to see. Hide all the view stuff. Whoops. Missed that starting tag. All right, so I want get balance. Wait, did they change how that worked? I think it used to need a dash, but this hello world clearly is using the, it's not camel case, it's Pascal case, I think, because it has the first one upper. I don't know. I forget. Something like that. Okay, so let's see here. Probably don't need the message included in there. Save. Let's see here. So ref view, find props, message. That. And we can delete all this. And don't need read the docs. But I'm probably going to say input. Okay. And I'll say background is equal to all right, let's see here. Input. Is it value? Gonna have to pull up some references. It's been such a long time. No, vbind used to be a thing, but I don't know if I need that or the value for inputs. I'll give it a name too. So call it address, and let's check that out. What did I want? Form input bindings. That's what I want, I think. Wait. Oh, okay. So vModel. So vModel assumes that text. Okay, so there was something like that, not vbind. So I want address, and I think that means I want an address here, and the address should be an empty string. So vModel is address, button click. We need a function. Say function get instant balance. And we're going to use this address here. Current balance. It's another one of these. Current balance for address is, maybe I will do that, save. See if this broke anything. Okay. What was that address list? There it is. Okay, let's check this out. Oh, derp. Get balance, not plus plus. Do I need to do that? It's been a while. Keep saying that. You haven't caught on yet. Get balance, save, fresh. Darn it. Ruh-roh. Text. Text is not responding. Ah, because I need address dot value, I think. Is that right? And copy that again. There we go. All right. So, and instead of just console logging that, I could say, maybe, I think you can have multiple cards or multiple root elements. It used to not be a thing, but now it's a thing or something like that. So we get balance. I'm going to rename count to balance. Okay. And I'm going to change it to a string because that looks like a string. Okay. So then info balance dot value is equal to info dot balance. So we could copy this and see here. So oh, maybe it's not a string because that T is appearing. Okay. That how you do it? Nope, that was not it. Where was that button? Oh, what was it? I did something wrong, clearly. Oh, wait. That and this. Whoop. Current balance is... so balance is not a string. It's a value and or a number. And instead we're going to say the indicates view instance for this element was not finished. So we want, just gonna do if and what balance is greater than 0. Maybe I'll even do, yeah, I'll do greater than 0. Okay, refresh. That looks like it's working. Let's grab an address. There you go. Let's even change this around a little more. I'm gonna say to address. And I will do an H3 around this. All right, let's see what this does. Okay. Maybe I want them both to be H3s. All right. And let's test another address here. That didn't work. Ah, because it's 0. So maybe I still want it to show. I want... I can't recall if refs can have their type change. So if I say type of balance is not equal to string. Okay, so right now it's a string. Grab an address again. Paste that. Okay, so D0. What happens if I try without an address? 404. So maybe, I don't love doing all that code inside, so, okay. Show balance. We're gonna say turn type of balance dot value is not equal string, and so address is not equal to an empty string and balance. Okay, And then maybe we also want let's see. Disable button and address is equal to empty string. This is pretty simplistic, but I think we should be able to say, what is it? Disabled equals that. So save, refresh. Clear this. Okay, it's not submitting. I don't love that it's showing the highlight, even though it should be disabled. But it's not the worst thing. So let's grab another address. We go back here. So it's disabled regardless. Oh, address dot value. And address dot value. Save. So still disabled. Is there something else I need to do for a function to update? Or maybe if instead of making this a function, I make it a constant disable button equals this. Let's see if that does it. Nothing. All right, what am I missing? The activity fundamentals. Hmm. Still not working. Need to brush up on my view. Do I have to add it to props or something? Is that what's happening? Oh, that's right. There is some function that I think I need to import. What is it? Hmm. This is what I get for not staying up on page X. Ooh, that's interesting. Mean to do that. I guess I could just do that. Let's see. Where's my code at? So can I just make a ref to this? Let's see. I don't know if it's gonna like that. Ref boolean. Save. Copy. Why? Well, it works when I include it directly like that, so I'm gonna do that because that's annoying me. All right. And if I remove it, sweet. But maybe if, wait, oh, that's right. So this is clearly not being updated. And it's because I'm not doing, well, I don't think this is going to work because the other thing wasn't working. But let's see. Show balance. Nope. What about if it's a function? Show balance. Okay. Copy and paste. All right, that's working. And then if I remove that, that's working too. Is that all I needed to do was, oh, I'm a derp. Probably just needed to add it as a function. Okay. All right, well, there you go. Now you can disable that or add an address, get balance. Oh, I guess that might be slightly confusing. I'm not super concerned about it right now, as this was really more just to prove that it worked correctly. I guess I could do how do I computed properties? That's what I want. Okay. These are all old. Am I in the wrong documentation? No, this. I thought there's a computed something or other here, so. Computed? I don't know. It's showing me exactly what I was looking at. I want. That's. Have they changed how things work in Vue again? I had gotten all up to date on Vue 3, and now I haven't used it in so long that this is looking confusing to me. And I'm not seeing the stuff that I thought existed. Like, I knew about this ref thing, and I think there's a computed version, but it's weird that it's showing me the old, like, Vue 2 version. Is this the one I need? Ah, it's in, like, the API reference instead. Okay, computed. That's what I wanted. Um, or is it? That might not be what I want. What I want is when the ref value changes, I want it to basically re-trigger the API. So maybe I want a watcher. I think I want to watch it. So computed reactive. No, that's not it. Watch effect. It's one of these. Watch effect. All right, which one? Runs immediately while reactively tracking its dependencies and reruns whenever the dependencies are changed. Uh, the only problem is if someone was typing an address, you don't want to just constantly ping the API before they've finished. I guess addresses right now probably have a set length, so I could check for the length of the address as a just very slapshot. No, that's not the right term. Slapdash. I don't know. I don't know. Something like that. So maybe I'll do that. I want a watch. Do I want just a watch or watches one or more reactive data sources and invokes a callback function when the sources change? Is lazy. The callback is only called when the watch source has changed. Versus watch effect. Function immediately while reactively tracking its dependencies and reruns. All right, let's see. Watch effect. Okay. Watch effect. I'm not using any props right now, so I'm gonna remove that. Watch effect. We want to watch address. Maybe we won't watch. Okay, let's change this to watch. And I want something like this. So watch effect, we're doing watch, and we want I don't know if these need to be last. I don't think they do, but so let's say watch address. I don't they're using the reactive, and I'm wondering if I need to reference the value in here. Gonna, just in case. So, oh no, they're not right here. So I don't need the value. Okay, so watch address. So if I do address dot length is equal to nope, that wasn't it. $34. Address length is equal to 34. We're going to do address previous address. Okay. And get balance. Guess we might even not even need the address previous address, but let's see if that works. It's not airing, is it? Okay, let's copy an address here and paste, get balance, right? And then what happens if we do a different one? That one, no, it didn't trigger. Maybe I can't do that. So I need to do, if address dot length is equal to 34. Brush that just for funsies, copy. All right, paste, get balance, and where else we going? It's not triggering it. That's weird. Maybe I do need watch effect. Hmm. Address length is 34. But it needs the value in this one. Value length is 34. And that. Save. Just copy the address. That triggered before I could click the button. Let's make sure it is doing what I think it is. No. Maybe both of those are 0 values. Yep. Okay, so now it's changing like I was thinking. But let's make sure that it doesn't trigger on like half an address or 0. That shouldn't be 34. That shouldn't have triggered. Oh, maybe it's not triggering. It's got the old value. So, hmm. Oh, let's copy this, undo some of that. All right, I've got an idea. So watch and watch effect. So watch is going to do if address and previous address are not the same. So is not equal to previous address. An extra parenthesis in there. We're gonna say balance dot value is equal to that. Ooh, this might. I don't know if this is gonna do what I think it's gonna do. It might break the stuff. Yeah, let's do some damage here. Okay, that worked. I didn't have to click it. And that worked. Didn't have to click it. And delete that. And it didn't work. I do this differently so that maybe I could include it in the watch effect. So if address, so if address does not equal balance, learning about that really doesn't seem right. We're not really using watch anymore. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so let's see. Maybe I'll just copy that. Paste, comment. All right. That clearly working. Previous address. Oh, derp watch effect. Does watch effect get any of those values? It doesn't. So that complicates things. I don't know. I haven't used this stuff in so long. So it does seem like I would need to use the watcher for that. But the watcher didn't appear to do anything. That's is that still airing or okay, no. So Disable button. Disable button is going to do this. So if address value is equal to that, or address value dot length is less than 34, disable button. All right, let's try this out. Save, refresh. Okay. Copy, paste, get balance. All right, and delete that. And you can't. Sweet. All right. So disable button's working. The watcher does not appear to be working though, and I'm not exactly sure why. If I add value. Did that work? Oh, that may have worked finally. That worked. So it did. Oh, that's dumb. So, oh, maybe. Okay, I think I know what happened. So you don't do it in a function if it's already a ref. So like that should work like it just did. All right, let's copy a different address, paste, get balance. Nope, that didn't work. But address.value. Nope, that's not working either. All right, what did I do? Oh, it removed that. That's annoying. There we go. Okay. So okay. That was the thing. You can't do it inside a function. Okay. So get balance and let's try another. Get balance. Okay. See if the watch effect still works. I don't need that in there anymore. And I don't need it like this. Save. Whoops. Don't do that. Copy. Paste. Get balance. Delete part of it. Sweet. All right, this is working a little more consistently. Let's do a further down one and see what happens. Sweet. Okay, I'm okay with that. So, let's see here. We got add that balance component. Maybe I won't say add, I'll say implement the balance component. All right. And yeah, commit and push. Sweet. All right. Okay. I think that's good. I tested this. Maybe I should make a PR for his code there. Okay, I think, let's see here. I'll make a PR just to make it easy, and he can ignore it if he so desires. Save. Let's see, where's my Windows at? Um, Work that. All right, let's see if I can, I might be lazy. So I forked it already, through GitHub. And I might just, where are we at? I modified this, edit, and be lazy. I believe that's all I changed. Oh, I guess I could just like do. Yeah. All right. Um, let's create a new Jojo byte. West browser. All right. Updates to use the v1.91 version of the root request module. Use the 191 version of the root request module. Okay. Can you see? I don't like this because I want it to be in one commit. I don't want to have each file. No. Ugh. I'm annoyed. Cancel. Right, I'm gonna do it the right way. Dumb principles. All right, let's see. What is it? Get remote add my fork status. Okay. The branch is up to date with origin main. What if I do get pull? Can I do set upstream on this? Let's see. Upstream. My fork main. Get status. My fork main. Sweet. Okay. So I should by default push to mine. And see what changes I got here. So, and that, okay. And then, oh, I wish I'd get that other page open. Use the 1.91 of root request module. Commit. Git push. I want to make sure I'm pushing to my fork. Not origin. Have it there. Okay, which should have updated this. Yep, 18 seconds ago. Okay, so, oh, but I did do it to main. I meant to do that to a branch. Darn it. It doesn't matter that much. I mean, you might not even merge the branch, so let's gonna go ahead and where do I commit ahead? Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna do the PR and then I can link it to him. Yay. Pull request. All right, so now I can do that. And all right, I'm gonna wrap up working on this. Got that done. Might stream a bit more on some other stuff. Not right away, but later sometime. All right, well, thanks for tuning in. Let's see, where's my OBS at? There we go. Transition to my final slide here.